We were born to be champions.
Lather Up, let's see what he's all about.
And my oh my, Lather Up is the real deal. Lather Up to win this one, he blows them away.
We were born to have a name in the lights, 'cause we're taking a ride to the top, to the top.
It is Lather Up, a perfect trip paid off in the graduate final, and Lather Up is home in 1:46, equaling the all-time fastest mile in harness racing history.
We're gonna take our place like the kings and the queens of the human race. The clock is ticking, there's no time to waste. Gotta hustle, flex some muscle, leaving dirt in their face. It feels like we're taking the crown. It feels like we were born to be champions.